So this is Big Ben. It's my friend Chris.
What's up?
And we're finna go on an adventure. We're gonna know where we're going. Well, actually, we're going to the loop. Probably hang out over there and, you know, nice young. Yeah, so me and my friend, like, it's a Friday. You been to the loop down here? It's kind of busy. It's a Friday night, you know what I mean? It gets busy.
Can't even find a fucking park.
Yeah, so we can't find a place to park, so we might go to our friend's house with his second just like go to his house. Yeah, I guess it's busy out here and I forgot.
Oh shit!
I thought it was a shooting, like
shut up!
I thought it was a shooting first. Man, give me how crazy this week has been, you know, shooting a dime and shit. But yeah, we're just gonna go to our friend's house a little bit, chill at his house, see what's up, and probably come down here. So we made our friend's house because we're not going to the loop anytime soon. Too busy and we can't find a spot, so let's go hang out with our friend's house for a little bit. And we decide from there. So tell me why I make it be at my friend's door. Like a little nigga I am. Free loop some doors. Head out. Oh, I'll show you my friends. Okay, so I'm gonna head out. I kinda have a crazy night, and you can't tell. Yeah. So I'm heading off. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna end this video later in the day. So yeah, see ya.